Okay, so there is a new Claude 3.7 Sonnet available for free and they say it's pretty amazing. Let's then check it out. And a little spoiler here, by the end of this video, we'll have a working trading bot in Python using the RSI trading strategy. We'll also find out if Claude 3.7 Sonnet performs better or worse in coding than other LLMs like O3 Mini, Claude 3.5, DeepSeek, etc., which I tested before for you. We'll be using the free version of Claude with Alpaca markets here. If you want to learn more about previous tests with LLMs, Alpaca, Anaconda and more, check out my previous videos. If you want to find the code that you'll see here, check my site, superai.pl. This is also the final part of our Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning 101 tutorial, during which we've been learning about supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised, reinforcement learning, and of course LLMs. First, the disclaimer. This video is not financial advice and we are only using a paper trading account here, which means we're not using any real money. And now that we've clarified that, let's ask Claude to create a program to connect to the Alpaca API, and check how much money we have in this our paper trading account. Do you think Claude will be able to create a working program for this? And yes, it did. Cool. And we can see that we have almost 100,000 fake dollars for our paper trading. So Claude 3.7 is already better than Llama, Mistral, Gemini and Copilot. Nice. Okay, now, can Claude create a program that buys and sells bitcoins? And no, it can't. The program can buy bitcoins but can't sell them, because it doesn't see the bought bitcoins in our portfolio. Too bad. So far it's the same as the others. None of the LLMs has been able to do it correctly. That's because Alpaca has different methods for placing orders and checking the balance of account positions. And it's too much for these LLMs? Maybe later they'll do better. Okay, now, let's try fetching the current Bitcoin price. And nope, the program doesn't work. So this Claude is worse than Claude 3.5 and DeepSeek used with Perplexity. Well, too bad. Okay, now, let's try implementing relative strength index calculation with VectorBT library. And unfortunately this time it's also a fail. So far only DeepSeek used within the Perplexity made this work. Not great. Alright, so now, the last task, the most difficult one, creating the trading bot. What do you think? Will Claude 3.7 be able to make it work? Or will we have to help it like we had to help others? And the program definitely doesn't work as it should. It started buying bitcoins, even before collecting the prices needed to calculate the RSI from 14 periods. Too bad. And it looks like it can't see that we already have some bitcoins in our portfolio. Not good at all. So, this time, let's ask Claude to fix the bug and see what happens. Do you think it'll work this time? The code looks much better. We can see that it took our advice regarding the proper usage of the Bitcoin symbols into consideration. And it did quite a good job with that. Nice. Let's hope it works. Fingers crossed. So now we wait. Okay, we bought something. That's good. Now can we see it? Will we sell it? And it looks like we can see that we have our bitcoins. We are not trying to buy more. That's good. Now, let's wait some more to see if we can sell our bitcoins when RSI is over 70. And here we go. We did it. The bot works. That's cool. That's amazing. We have our working bot. And that's it with that. Now, remember that you can find this code on my website, or you can try asking Claude to help you create your own bot. So, there we have it. To recap all of this, in this part, we gave the free version of Claude 3.7 Sonnet 5 tasks to do. Now, the mistakes it made were rather small. And in the end, it was able to generate almost perfect working Python code for a trading bot using RSI. And it even added some cool features, like these small icons to help us see when to buy, hold or sell. That's something. Of course, like with other LLMs, the mistakes, however small, could have had catastrophic consequences for our portfolio. But in the end, we fixed the bot. Of course, the question about the usefulness of RSI for trading remains, along with how we gathered the data. But these were our choices, and we can always make different ones. We can choose to calculate RSI every minute or every day. We can opt to fetch data from a different database, and different techniques because the one used here might not be the best approach. We could also explore different technical indicators, such as MACD, moving averages or others. If you're interested, you can experiment with these ideas, create appropriate prompts, and check the outcomes. But for now, that's all. I hope you liked it. And meanwhile, we're almost finished with our AI and ML tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed all of our tutorials on supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised, and reinforcement learning, as well as all the tests we did with LLMs. Now, you can use all this knowledge to start creating your own artificial general intelligence, or even superintelligence. Just remember us and tell your AGI or super AI to look at us with goodwill. And now, as they say, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that bell button to get the notification whenever I upload new video. You can also find the code from this testing in our AI and ML tutorial. More about me and my projects on my site, superai.pl. In the meantime, I wish you all the best in learning how to navigate this new world, where AIs can do so many amazing things. See you soon, and remember, improve yourself, improve your business, improve the world, but also live and have fun. Yours, Super AI.